To increase the max volume on your iPhone, start by going to the Settings app. This is where you will find all the options to customize your iPhone's sound settings. Once you are in the Settings app, scroll down and tap on the Sounds option. In the Sounds section, you will see a variety of options to customize your iPhone's sound settings, including the volume levels. Look for the ringer and alerts section and adjust the volume bar to your desired level. You can also use the volume buttons on the side of your iPhone to adjust the volume. If you want to increase the max volume beyond the default limit, you can use a third-party app or equalizer to boost the sound. However, be careful when using these apps as they can potentially damage your iPhone's speaker if the volume is set too high. Another option to increase the max volume is to use a Bluetooth speaker or headphones. These devices can produce louder sound than your iPhone's built-in speaker and can be a good option if you want to listen to music or watch videos with a higher volume. It is also important to note that increasing the max volume on your iPhone can potentially damage your hearing, so be sure to keep the volume at a reasonable level. It is recommended to keep the volume below 60% to avoid any potential damage to your hearing. In addition to these methods, you can also try resetting your iPhone's sound settings to their default values. To do this, go to the Settings app, tap on the General option, and then tap on the Reset option. From here, you can reset your iPhone's sound settings to their default values, which can sometimes resolve any issues with the volume. By following these steps, you can increase the max volume on your iPhone and enjoy your music, videos, and other audio content at a louder volume. Just remember to be careful and keep the volume at a reasonable level to avoid any damage to your hearing or your iPhone's speaker.